Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Before we begin, let's see what will we learn in this session. Cybersecurity Basic. Types of cyber threats. Ethical hacking. Types of hackers. Common ethical hacking techniques. Ethical hacking tools. Ethical hacking certification. Ethical hacking best practices. Emerging trends in cybersecurity. Data privacy and compliance. Cybersecurity best practices for individuals and organizations. Let's start with our first topic. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the protection of computer networks, systems, and data from theft, damage, or unauthorized access. Ethical hacking involves the use of hacking tools and techniques to identify security vulnerabilities in computer systems. Let's see some common cyber threats and attacks. Malware. Malware is a type of software designed to damage or exploit a computer system. Examples include viruses, worms, and Trojan horses. Phishing. Phishing is the fraudulent practice of sending emails or messages in order to trick people into revealing sensitive information such as passwords or banking details. Denial of service, DOS. A type of cyber attack that attempts to overwhelm a system with traffic or requests, rendering it inaccessible. Ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts a victim's files, making them inaccessible until a ransom is paid. There are generally 10 types of hackers, but today we will discuss about only 3 types of hackers. Black hat hackers. They use hacking techniques to gain unauthorized access for malicious purposes. They are also considered to be as criminals and can be easily identified because of their malicious actions. Gray hat hackers. They are a combination of white and black hat hackers. They may use hacking techniques to identify vulnerabilities, but with a more ambiguous motive. They are not legally authorized hackers. Why companies needs ethical hacker? They need ethical hackers for various purposes such as identifying vulnerabilities, strengthening security, researching emerging threats. Identifying vulnerabilities. By identifying vulnerabilities in a company's network and systems, ethical hackers help prevent data breaches and cyber attacks. Strengthening security. Ethical hackers help improve the overall security of a company by strengthening defenses and implementing necessary security measures. Researching emerging threats. Ethical hackers stay up to date on the latest cyber threats and trends, providing companies with valuable insights that help mitigate future security risks. Ethical hacking techniques and tools. Scanning and enumeration. Tools such as NAP and Nessus help identify open ports, running services, and vulnerable systems. Exploitation. Tools such as Metasploit help exploit vulnerabilities in target systems. Password cracking. Tools such as Hashcat and John the Ripper help crack passwords and gain unauthorized access. Challenges of ethical hacking. Legal issues. Ethical hackers must operate within the boundaries of the law, otherwise they can face legal consequences. Technical complexity. Ethical hacking requires advanced technical skills and expertise, as well as knowledge of a wide range of tools and techniques. Organizational resistance. Companies may be resistant to having their systems tested by ethical hackers, due to concerns about security breaches and data leaks. Ethical dilemmas. Ethical hackers may face dilemmas about whether or not to report vulnerabilities, as well as how to protect sensitive information and preserve security. Let's talk about benefits of ethical hacking. Improved security. Ethical hacking helps identify and fix vulnerabilities, leading to stronger overall security. Cost-effective. Ethical hacking is a cost-effective way to detect and prevent security breaches before they occur. Better reputation. Ethical hacking demonstrates a company's commitment to security and helps build a reputation as a trusted, secure organization. Compliance. By identifying and addressing security vulnerabilities, ethical hacking helps companies comply with regulations and standards such as GDPR and ISO 27001. Ethical hacking certification. Ethical hacking certifications such as the Certified Ethical Hacker (CEH) and GIA's Certified Penetration Tester (GPN) demonstrate a high level of technical expertise and professional knowledge in ethical hacking. Emerging trends in cybersecurity. Here are some emerging trends in cybersecurity. Blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is becoming increasingly important in cybersecurity due to its decentralized, secure nature. IoT security. As the Internet of Things, IoT, becomes more prevalent, securing connected devices is becoming an increasingly important aspect of cybersecurity. AI and machine learning. The use of AI and machine learning is becoming increasingly important in cybersecurity to identify and mitigate emerging threats. Cybersecurity best practices for individuals and organizations. Education and training. Education and training are critical for both individuals and organizations to stay up to date on emerging threats and to adopt best practices for cybersecurity. Password management. Strong password management is essential to prevent unauthorized access to personal or sensitive information. Multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security on top of passwords, making it more difficult for hackers to gain unauthorized access. Regular software updates and patches. Regular software updates and patches fix security vulnerabilities and help prevent cyber attacks. Conclusion and future of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is becoming increasingly important as our lives and businesses become more connected. While cyber threats and attacks are evolving rapidly, ethical hacking and ongoing education and training can help keep us safe, secure, and vigilant.